AI handles the manual, the mundane. Our team handles the relationships, the judgment, the complexity no algorithms can replicate. For decades, logistics ran quietly in the background, keeping shelves stocked, factories running, economies moving. But what if technology could do more than just make it faster? What if it could transform our supply chains, our workforce, our economy itself? Logistics is the largest cost in manufacturing and retail. At Dedola Global Logistics, we see it every day. When you drive that cost down, the way technology has disrupted every other industry, you remove friction from the system. And when you remove friction from manufacturing, distribution, and the movement of goods, you create opportunities at scale that we've never seen before. Will AI replace humans? Whenever AI comes up, people ask the same question. Will it take my job? It's a good question, but the key word here isn't replacement. It's elevation. At Dedola, our people aren't being replaced by technology, they're orchestrating it. AI handles the manual, the mundane. Our team handles the relationships, the judgment, the complexity no algorithms can replicate. As the experts at MIT put it, jobs are made of tasks. AI will take over some of those tasks, but the human element, the connectivity, the trust, the problem solving, that part is irreplaceable. Think about self-driving cars. The technology is extraordinary. It reads the road, it adjusts the speed, it anticipates hazards faster than any human could react. But you're still in the driver's seat. You're still alert, still watching, still ready to take the wheel. You wouldn't take a nap and trust the car to handle everything. You're still the driver. That's exactly how we think about AI and logistics. The technology makes you faster, sharper, more informed, but it doesn't replace your judgment, or your relationships, or your accountability. The freight forwarder using AI to track 50 shipments in real time isn't being replaced by a machine. They're becoming 10 times more valuable than the one who isn't. AI is the tool. People are still the driver. Quick pause before we go further. If you're a US importer and you want to stay ahead of what's changing in global logistics, subscribe to the channel. We break down the industry in plain language. Whether you are shipping for the first time or you already have a freight forwarder, you'll walk away with insights that save you money and help your business grow. And if you want to go deeper, we offer a free consultation. We'll look at your specific situation and tell you exactly where you can cut costs and move faster. The link is in the comments. Now, back to it. So how does AI actually change things? Think of it in 3 levels. Level 1, automation. Logistics is fragmented. It's manual. Thousands of operators handling repetitive tasks that slow the system down and drive costs up. AI handles the repetitive so people can focus on what actually matters. Level 2, optimization. Can we look at the supply chain as one connected system? Can we reduce empty miles? Can we design networks that move cargo more efficiently? Connecting the right shipment to the right route at the right time. At Dedola, that's not a future goal. That's happening right now. Level 3, decision intelligence. Imagine a system that thinks ahead, that sees disruptions before they happen, that reroutes shipments in real time. That gives our team the insight to act before a problem becomes a crisis. That's where AI is taking us. AI doesn't stop at dashboards. The most profound shift is when AI meets the physical world. Autonomous vehicles, smart ports, predictive infrastructure. Ports like Los Angeles are already using AI to see cargo 40 days before the ship arrives. That means better planning, better labor allocation, fewer surprises. Fleets are downloading data from hundreds of thousands of vehicles every night, diagnosing issues before a truck ever breaks down, guiding technicians through repairs in real time. Artificial intelligence isn't a distant disruption. It's here, it's real, and it's reshaping every link in the global supply chain. At Dedola Global Logistics, we're not waiting to adapt. We're building the infrastructure, the partnerships, the intelligence to move freight smarter, faster, and more reliably than ever before. This isn't the future of logistics. This is right now.